Welcome to our channel WAPV Full. In this video I will show an operation using price and volume analysis in a discretionary way. Let's go. We had identified a possible accumulation according to the criteria of price and volume analysis following the three laws of our Wyckoff. The first was effort versus result. The arrow shows our algo trading in action. It indicates professional activity. Here we have effort versus result, professional buying activity in a falling market and soon ahead, price imbalance. The second is supply and demand. We can clearly see demand greater than supply where the arrow shows. There we have the positive delta, which means that smart money was setting up camp in this region. Our Wyckoff's third law, cause and effect, takes place after the smart money camp. In this region, there was a lot of absorption by professional traders. Now the market needs to move in a direction, and WAPV helps you with that. In addition to the OVA swing tool, the force and weakness tool also shows us that demand is greater than supply. In addition to our smart tool, it shows us the trend levels. Another very important tool is the smart point, which shows us the hidden supports and resistances, in addition to allowing us to place up to 8 support and resistance regions. Those who operate only by price action cannot identify these regions. Note that my take profit was located in the closing region of the previous day. You notice that the trade was done in a 100% discretionary way, without subjectivity and focused on the smart money positioning. Without looking for patterns of figures. The function of WAPV is to make the information visible to facilitate and give us confidence in our operations. I hope you liked it. Subscribe to the channel, and until the next video.